Welcome back to EduLab. Today we're diving into an incredibly useful Excel skill: how to separate text and numbers when they're mixed together in the same cell. This is a common challenge, but with the right functions, it's surprisingly easy. As you can see, we have a list of entries in column G, each containing both text and numerical data. Our goal is to extract just the text into column H and just the numbers into column 1. Now, you could manually go through each cell and type out the information, but that's not efficient, especially with large data sets. Let's explore the powerful functions that will automate this for us. For extracting text, we'll use a relatively new and powerful function, REGEXEXTRACT. This function allows us to use regular expressions to define patterns for what we want to extract. First, we select the cell containing our mixed data, which is G8 in this case. Next, for the pattern, we're looking for all alphabetical characters, both uppercase and lowercase. So we'll use the regular expression AZ. This tells Excel to find any character from A to Z and A to Z. The formula is now equal sign REGEXEXTRACT B8 AZ1. Hits Enter. The 1 here indicates that we want to return only the all match of the pattern. Press Enter. And there you have it! East is successfully extracted. However, if there are multiple text parts like EAST, we need to join them. This is where text join comes in handy. We'll wrap our REGEXEXTRACT function within text join. The formula is now a text join par true REGEXEXTRACT B8 AZ phase. We'll use an empty string as the delimiter and true to ignore empty cells. Inside text JJoin, we use REGEXEXTRACT with the pattern AZ to capture all occurrences of text. Completes the formula, text join a true REGEXEXTRACT B8 AZ1. Hits Enter. The 1 now extracts all text matches. Now let's hit Enter and see the result. East. User drags the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of column H. Excellent. East is still there. Now let's drag the fill handle down to apply this formula to the rest of our text column. Column H populates with north, south, west, east, southeast, northwest. Perfect! All the text strings have been accurately extracted. Cursor moves to cell Y8. User types =REG. Selects REGEXEXTRACT. Clicks on B8. Types 09 for the pattern. Now let's move on to extracting numbers. We'll follow a similar process using REGEXEXTRACT again. Select cell 18, then type $REGEXEXTRACT. Select cell B8 for our text source, and for the pattern, we'll use 09 to specifically target digits from 0 to 9. User types 1 after the pattern. The formula is now R B8 091. REGEXEXTRACT hits Enter. And just like before, 1 for the all match. Hit Enter. Cell I8 shows 5. We get 5, which is the first digit. Cursor moves to formula bar for I8. Type text join at the beginning of the formula with an empty delimiter and true to ignore empty cells. For the REGEXEXTRACT pattern, we'll use 09 to capture all consecutive digits. Press Enter. Cell I8 now shows 55. Now we have 55. Much better. User drags the fill handle down for column 1. And just like that, all the numerical data has been precisely extracted into its own column. This method, combining text join and REGEXEXTRACT, gives you incredible flexibility and power for data cleaning and organization in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to EduLab for more useful Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video!